In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove audio from a video using Clipchamp, and we'll do it in less than 5 minutes. Whether you're editing video for a personal project or for professional purposes, muting the audio track offers more control over your content's soundscape. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you get it right the first time. First, open your web browser and head over to clipchamp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and sign in by clicking on the sign in button. You'll be prompted to continue with a Microsoft account, which is the recommended option, so click on continue with Microsoft. Choose your Microsoft account if prompted. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Clipchamp's homepage. From here, we're going to start a new project. Look for the create a new video button, which is typically easy to spot because it's front and center of the interface. Click it to proceed to the editor. Now it's time to bring in the media you want to edit. Find the import media option, usually located in the top or sidebar of the editor. This will allow you to drag and drop your video files directly into Clipchamp. So go ahead and locate your video file, then simply drag and drop it into the import window. With the video file now in your Clipchamp library, it's ready to be added to your timeline. Just click on the video in your library and it should automatically jump into your editing timeline. Now we're getting to the crucial part, removing that audio track. Right click on the video clip in your timeline to open a context menu. From here, locate the audio option. Clicking here will bring up a couple of different choices, including detaching the audio. Select detach audio. This step separates the audio file from your video file, allowing you to manage them independently. After detaching the audio, the separate audio track should appear in your timeline below the video track. At this point, you have two options to remove the sound: deleting the separate audio track entirely or lowering its volume to 0. You can delete the audio track simply by selecting it and pressing the delete key. If you prefer to keep the track but silence it, click on the audio track and navigate to the audio settings in the right hand panel. Adjust the volume slider all the way down to 0%, and there you have it. Just a few simple steps and you've successfully removed the audio from your video using Clipchamp. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to save your project or export it as needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the